What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you be taking out your brake lights on a Pontiac G6, probably about the 2005 to about the 2010. First thing you'll have to do is you'll have this little piece right here. This black piece, you just want to unscrew this off from right here, like that. And once you take that off, you want to come, pull this back. Then what you'll have is you'll have two bolts. You'll have one bolt that's right here that you basically want to take off, just like that. Pull that one out. Then once you get that one off, you'll look up in here. If you can see where my hand is at, you'll have another bolt that's right here. You want to take that one off as well. And once you get those two out, then you want to come to the outside. Then you want to come out here. And then you want to come out here to the outside and just pull out like that. And pretty much you should have it out. You may have, actually you may have three. This one may have been missing one. You may have one right here, which would be all the way up in the back. One right here and one right here. So if you try to pull it out with taking off those two, you may have another one that's all the way up in the back. And of course, once you get this off now to change out your lights, all you do is just come, spin this like that pretty much, and pull your bulb out. You don't want to touch these bulbs with your bare hands, especially the new bulb you're going to be putting in, because if you do, it'll make it burn out quicker. But I'm just going to show a demonstration. Just basically pull this out, replace it with the right size bulb inside of her, and then put it back in. Now, of course, if you want to change out your sole assembly, you just want to come and unscrew all these bulbs like that. And also you would want to unplug this right here just by unplugging it like that. Then you would be able to actually change out your whole brake light assembly. And once again, this is on a Pontiac G6. It should be about the same from a 2005 up to the 2010. Like I said, so if you want to change the whole assembly, actually you just have to unplug this right here. The bulbs itself can actually stay in if you just take out the whole thing with new bulbs and everything. You would just unplug it like that pretty much, and you will have your assembly completely out. When you come in, once, like I said, when you're taking this out, you'll have a screw here, a bolt here, and you may also have a bolt that's here. Some of them may not have that one, so if you took those two out and you're having a problem getting it to go back in, then you want to come inside. I'm going to show you where that other one may be at. If there's another one, it'll be all the way. Actually, no, you probably won't be able to get that one anyways. But yeah, but it should just be this one here and this one here. Like I said, if for some reason you can't get it out, there may be one way back there, but most of the time, you're not going to have any. So like I said, once again, you would take out these two bolts, pull out like that. You see those things coming out, and this whole piece will come out. All right, folks, once again, this is how you would change out your brake lights as well as brake assembly on a Pontiac G6 from about the 2005 to the 2010. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.